Good afternoon. My name is Alina Shevtsova. I am an immigration attorney from Brooklyn, New York. In today's Legally Speaking seminar, I would like to talk to you about one amazing waiver, 237A1H. Why it's amazing? Because it helps in what seems to be hopeless situations. Specifically, this waiver can be used when, for example, a green card was obtained by somebody who was not qualified for the green card due to fraud or misrepresentation. Very often, the situation occurs when a married son or daughter of a lawful permanent resident states that they're not married and immigrate into the United States. And years later, they fill out another immigration form, usually maybe to sponsor their spouse or to obtain citizenship, and they do list that marriage that before they said they did not have. And the government finds out that, wait a second, they lied the first time when they obtained the documents. So what is this waiver? This waiver applies to those who was not admissible due to fraud or misrepresentation at the time of admission, but nevertheless either received an immigrant visa or received an adjustment of status. And now they have a qualifying relative, and they can show that that person is going to experience extreme hardship in case of their removal. So, and other than that, they don't have any other issues. So that's what this waiver is all about. It's very interesting because to receive this waiver, it's basically you don't really have to show extreme hardship, but you do have to present cumulative factors why the government should exercise discretion and forgive you. So this is a very interesting point about this waiver. 237A1H is called. So other situations when this waiver will be applicable. Marriage fraud. For example, you committed marriage fraud and you received the green card, and it was discovered later that you were not entitled to it. Fiancé visa situations as well. But more often, that's the married and unmarried son or daughter. What else you need to know about this waiver is that it does not waive all possible grounds of deportation or removal associated with fraud. For example, at times, people get convicted criminally for the fraud in connection with immigration situations. This waiver will not help. It's only when you misrepresented information and you were not criminally charged and you were not convicted of a crime of moral turpitude, then you can use this waiver. And it does help a good amount of people. So it's an amazing waiver, again, because it helps in some situations of marriage fraud, not every situation of marriage fraud. And it's good to know about that. And you can read more about various waivers on our website, www.shevtsova.com. Thank you.